favorite bunch of beauties. Welcome back to NCW Beauty. My name is Denise. If you just happened across my channel because you like watching haul videos, welcome. I hope you enjoy the video and I hope you stick around. Today's video, like I said, is going to be a bit of a haul video. This stuff is not my haul stuff, so we'll set that to the side. And I just kind of threw it in my project paint video just to keep it together. And it's not that dramatic of a haul, I don't guess, but I am going to show you anyway. I feel like well, it could be because I ordered some stuff from QVC when they had that sale. And I got a bunch of stuff from Mally, so I'll show you that stuff too. But the main things that I wanted to show you were the palettes that recently came out that I picked up. And some of them are not here yet, which are those Pat McGrath palette. They had like the 3 palettes in a bundle. And then they also had that 10% off. So I did pick up all 3 palettes. I will show you those when they get here, but I did pick up the Nomad Verona Amor y Morte, or Life and Love and Death palette, and that looks like this. And this is she. Really, it has like an iridescent coating over the top of it or something, but really pretty. So ISO is a little bit turned down so that the palettes pop up a little bit better. My ring light is not adjustable. But this is how she opens, like I was telling you, like that Give Me Glow palette, and you have your love side over here with the pinks and reds, and you have your death side over here with your grays and purples and blues and other like dark grungy sort of colors. This is really pretty. I feel like I'm almost drawn to the death side of this thing than I am to the love side. Either way, I think I'm going to probably do a Valentine's Day look maybe with this side. Maybe I'll do an un-Valentine's Day look with that side. That is not a bad idea. So that is the Love and Death palette from Nomad. I also picked up the new palette from Blend Bunny Cosmetics, and it is the Lure palette, and you have 24 shades in this palette. 24 shades for the Mermaid Within is what she says, and that is what this palette looks like. As you can see, there's no mirror in this palette, but that is what it looks like. I did sort of swatch all of the shimmery shades. Really pretty, nice formula. Can't wait to dig into that one and do a look with it. I also picked up another palette from Blend Bunny when I ordered the Lure palette, one that I had been having my eye on but never picked up, and that is the Surge palette. I have just heard so many good things about this Surge palette that I wanted to go ahead and pick it up, and it's gorgeous. So glad to have this one. And I think these are the 3 palettes that I picked up that we were discussing last week. QVC also had 24 hours of beauty with their, I think they called it Master Makeup Class Day or something. So I picked up some things from QVC. So I picked up the duo of everything mostly here is from Mally, so let's just get that out of the way. Mally, and then 2 items from Tarte. But this is her Shimmer Shape and Glow, and she calls these the Shimmer Shape and Glow Plus. This is her blush duo, so it came with one in the shade Just Pinched, and this is Just Pinched, and it came in the shade Oh So Rosy, And this is the shade Oh So Rosy. So I did swatch these and I really like them, so I can't wait to use them. Just Pinch seems like it's going to be one of those shimmery blushes that you don't need to put a highlighter on for. This I already opened, so I'll show you. I got another shade of the bonus size of the Tarte Shape Tape. I got it in the shade Deep Sand, I think. Yeah, I got it in the shade Deep Sand because I have tan Deep Sand and it's a little bit too light. So I got it in the shade Deep Sand, and with this came like a bonus size of the Glow Wand. So I will show you. I don't know if this is even a regular size of Glow Wand, but this is the Glow Wand I had. And then this is the bonus size Glow Wand. So it came with those two. I need to pull this stuff away. I did pick up a duo from Mally with her mascara. So it came with her Open Up Volumizing Mascara, which her Volumizing Mascara, I don't know why I ever stopped using it. I think because the original one was discontinued or something. But I think this is that formula. So it's the volumizing mascara, and then it came with the Open Up Mascara Primer. The primer I used today, it's pretty good. And I haven't used the mascara yet because I have a mascara open. But I want to use that to see if it's the formula that I remember from back in the day when she had the white tubes. We'll cross our fingers. I picked up a duo, and these little things are so similar that a duo of eyebrow pencils from her. So it came with the Sculpting Eyebrow Pencil and the Precision Eyebrow Pencil. And this is her sort of newish packaging. It's cute, but it's going to be thrown away. So let's take that out. So this is, I like how her products now have her signature on it. But of course, this is like a double-ended. This one has like a little triangle shaped tip on it. The Full Dream Sculpting Eyebrow Pencil. And of course, it has a spoolie on the other end. We'll throw that out. And we have, this video is going to be longer than I thought. We are already at 8.5 minutes. The little thin one. And they are both in the shade Dark Brown. So this one has spoolie, and then it has like a little fine tip on the end of it. Yeah, still doing videos.
Hey.
Yeah.
I need to ask you a question.
Open the door.
Huh?
Open the door. I'll just tell you. Okay. And I picked up two of the trios of her Evercolor Shadow Sticks, which I absolutely love. Let me take all of these out of the box and I will show you. Alright, so I have taken them all out of the box, but I just looked at the side of her box, and on the side of it, it says, "You're ready to step out of the shadow and be a boss today." So I like that. Alright, so there were two trios, and I picked up both of them. I do have like a long history of buying shadow sticks from her. I think I still have all of them. They are all still good. I am not throwing them away. I've had them since they came in like the white tubing with the pink letters on them. But now they are like upgraded and in this cute rose gold packaging with her signature on them. And I'm going to swatch these for you. If I have dupes, or if I have dupes, not dupes, but if this is a new version of one I already have, I'll toss the old one. And I think I do have this one, and this one is called Sand. And that is what sand looks like. Sand looks like it can go under your brow, or looks like it can go over your lid, and then just put something in your crease and you're done. I had, stop. I have the shade Rose Gilt, and oops, Rose Gilt is super pretty. If you can see, I'm always afraid you can't see it. So that's Rose Gilt, and they are nice and creamy, but you only have a very few minutes to adjust them on your lids, and then they dry down, and they are what she calls bulletproof. And trust me, you need something to remove these things. I have one called Amber Glow. Amber Glow is a shimmery version of my skin tone, so you may or may not see that one. I have Thistle, and I think Thistle is like a matte. Yes, Thistle is a matte sort of lavender type color. And then the next one is Daylight. No, Daylight. The next one is Champagne. Champagne is just what it says. Nice shimmery shade. And then the last one is Royal Plum. And we'll do Royal Plum right here. And Royal Plum is right here. So those are the shades. I have always, all these things are really creamy. And I have always been a fan of her shadow sticks. You can use them for bases. If I don't wipe that off, it'll be on there all day. You can use them for bases. You can use them just for like one and done eyeshadows. You can use them as liners. Love them. Those and Laura Geller's kohl pencils I like. The last thing I picked up is the Evercolor Gel Waterproof Liner 10-piece collection. So this is 10 eyeliners. I did use one of hers today, and it is in this box. And that's the eyeliner, the gel eyeliner in Onyx. But I'm going to swatch these for you too. And I did notice that the Onyx one came in a black tube, and the rest of them come in like this plummy shade. But I guess this black Onyx one is special, so I'm going to swatch it. I don't want to because I have one open, but it's not close to me, so I'm going to swatch that one first. And this is really black and stays on the waterline really well. So this is one of my favorite black eyeliners, which is why I don't know why I keep buying other black eyeliners. So probably I will stick with Mally. This one is Walnut, and I noticed when I open it, there's several browns in here. So I'm going to try to swatch them together to see what the difference is. But that's Walnut. Let's see, what is this one? This one is Hazelnut. I think Hazelnut may have a little bit of a shimmer to it and have a little bit more of a purple tone to it. And what is this one? This one is Amber, so that's not the one. I think there's one more brown one in here. Is it? That might be it. I may run across it, but I can't see it obviously here. So the next one that I have here is called Shadow. And they are still called? Yeah, the Evercolor Gel Waterproof Eyeliners. But this one is Shadow. So this is like a pewter sort of shade. Shimmery dark gray. And the next one is Amber, am I right? Yeah. I guess you could put this one in the brown family too, but it is definitely shimmery. And then we have like a gold shade, and this one is called Gold Glimmer. And this one is really pretty. I would almost say that you can use this one as a, it's like an inner corner highlight. That's Gold Glimmer. How long are we? 6 minutes, because I cut it off. And then we have a silver one, and this one is called the Sterling. And we'll put this one down here. It is really bright, it's really pretty. So this is Sterling, coming up white on camera, I think, but it is definitely a sterling silver. We have graphite, which is, I think, also gray, but no, graphite looks almost black, but it's not as black. I don't know, but this is graphite. We have two more. This one is deep sage. That sounds pretty. And deep sage is a shimmery color. These are shades I don't have, which I like. Deep sage. And the last one is called Iris. Jesus, I can't see. Yeah, Iris. So of course you know it's going to be a purple shade, and it is. It's pretty. It's a shimmery purple shade. So hope you can see those with my ring light being crazy. But those are the gel eyeliners from Mally, and that is it for my little bit. And they fell on the floor, but let me wipe this off before it's stuck on my hand. Okay, that is it for my haul. The only other thing that I have that's coming are the eyeshadow palettes from Natasha Denona. The eyeshadow palettes from Pat McGrath for her Valentine's Day limited edition, I think, collection. And I will share those with you when they come. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you are already subscribed, please make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when I have a new video coming out. Have a great day, and may your day be as flawless as your makeup. Bye.